If you try to launch Faceit Anti-Cheat but keep getting the error "Secure Boot needs to be enabled to launch Faceit AC," don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to fix it on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. To start the process, we need to restart your computer into Advanced Startup mode so you can access the internal settings. Open your Windows settings, click on Windows Update, scroll down to select Advanced Options, and then open the Recovery menu. Under the Advanced Startup section, click the Restart Now button, and your PC will reboot into a blue selection menu. Once your PC restarts into this menu, click on Troubleshoot, then open Advanced Options, and select UEFI Firmware Settings. Press the Restart button, and your computer will now boot directly into the BIOS menu. The layout may look different depending on your motherboard, but you generally need to look for a tab labeled Boot or Security. In my BIOS, I will click on Settings, then go to Security. Next, I will select the Secure Boot option and set it to Enabled. To ensure it works with Faceit, I will change the point to the Secure Boot mode to Custom, then find the option for Secure Boot Present and set it to Maximum. Once these changes are made, navigate to the Exit tab or press F10 to save your settings and restart your PC. Now that Secure Boot is properly configured, Faceit should launch without any further issues. We will also check whether Secure Boot is actually enabled on your system. Press Windows plus R, type msinfo32, and press Enter. In the System Information window, look for BIOS mode and Secure Boot state. BIOS mode should say UEFI, and Secure Boot state should say On. If it shows off or unsupported, Faceit AC won't work, and you'll need to follow the process carefully. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.